This has been my lifesaver. Virtue's Damage Reverse Serum. I have gotten dimensional highlights, and this is my second round, so it's chemical after chemical, and I've gotten a wave perm prior to that. So I put my hair through a lot of processing, breakage and just frizz. My split ends, I mean, my hair would literally split into 4. And ever since I got this Damage Reverse Serum, it has been a lifesaver. On wash days, I do like 2 to 3 pumps to towel dry, damp hair. And I just apply it from, right after the root all the way to the ends. My hair feels more luscious and it's stronger, it's healthier. It repairs my split ends. It refills the breakage in your hair. Whatever voodoo magic that is, that's what it does. And I mean, I'm not mad. I'm not mad at my hair at all.